Hey there, welcome back to my channel where we break down the complex Java concepts into simple, digestible steps. Today, we are diving deeper into Lambda expressions and a new feature in Java 8 that makes our code even cleaner, that is method reference. Let's jump in. What is method references? So we have already explored the power of lambda expressions in our last videos. So lambda expressions which allows us to write short functional code. But did you know there is even shorter way to write lambdas? In some cases, it is called method references. A method reference is just a shortcut to write a lambda expression. It is more concise way to do the same thing. Let's take a look at the example. Example 1, consumer print tends to system.out.println. Same thing in method references. You can see that consumer string printer system.out double column println. Here, both of these pieces of code do exact same thing. They print the string to the console. But with the method reference, we are able to replace the lambda expressions with simpler system.out.println. Neat, right? So let's break down the syntax. The syntax is straightforward. Instead of writing our lambda expression, S stands to system.out.println or S hyphen greater than symbol system.out.println, and in this the parameter we are passing. Instead of this, the double column is a key part of the method references in the syntax. It's point to method we want to call like println. Types of method references. Now the method references can works in few different ways, and there are four main types of them. References to a static method, example integer double column compare. References to instance method of a particular object, example system.out.println. Here out double column println reference to the instance method of an arbitrary object of a particular type, string double column compare to ignore case. References to the constructor array double column new. Let's take a look at another common example where method references can simplify our code. Let's check the example 2 using lambda expressions. We'll write the comparator like this. So here two parameters we are passing in a curly braces and hyphen greater than symbol integer dot compare. But with using method references, we can simplify our code. So both of these comparator instances do exact same thing. They compare two integers, but with the method reference, you get the cleaner, more readable code. So you might be wondering why bother with method references when lambda expressions already work so well. The answer is clarity and simplicity. The method references reduces the clutter in your code, especially where the logic is simple. Now, that we have got a good grasp of lambda expressions and method references, so we can start thinking about how these tools can make processing the large amount of data more efficient, especially when processing the data in parallel. In upcoming videos, we will take these concepts further and show how they can be combined with Java streams to improve the performance of our program. So that's it for this video. We learned about how to write method references, the different types, and how they makes our code cleaner and more efficient. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for the more Java tips and tutorials. And as well as feel free to leave some questions or any questions you have in the comment sections below. Until next time, keep coding, stay sharp with our Java coding skills. See you in the next video. Thanks for the watching video.